Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. Today I'm making a little tartar sauce. It's easy to make, it's fast, as you will see. There's no reason to buy your own. After the video, I have the recipe at the end so you can see and get the measurements. Please like and subscribe when you're done watching the video. Thank you. A little bit of onion. Roughly a tablespoon. More if you like oniony tartar sauce, less if you don't. Well, this is cilantro, but it'll have to do. Or is this curly? And into our bowl it goes. Pimento. We don't need much. It too goes in the bowl. Dill relish. This is the key to making tartar sauce. Depends on how much you like. And now, what makes tartar sauce tartar sauce? Mayo. And mix until you like the consistency. I prefer a little more mayo. A little bit of salt to bring out the flavors. Salt makes flavor. Go. Spread it around the countertop. Add a little bit more. Okay. Voila! We have tartar sauce. Please like and subscribe to Buena Ventura Life.